Congratulations, you've done it. You've added the best done-for-you social syndication system to your arsenal. You're now equipped with the same exact syndication system that we use to get massive results. Your competitors will never know what hit them. But before we send you off to the members area, there's one very important thing for you to consider before submitting your campaigns to DFY Suite, and that is scaling. Are you planning to go big? Are you planning to rank as many websites and videos as possible so you can scale your income fast? If so, you're going to want to pay close attention to this video. You see, the offer you purchased on the previous page was for a heavily discounted one-time payment for a specific number of credits. However, as a brand new member of DFY Suite, we wanted to give you the opportunity to lock in that discounted rate every single month. That means that every month your account will be automatically replenished with fresh credits for you to go out there and get your content ranked fast without doing any of the work yourself. Just imagine how much more profit and traffic you'll be getting by knowing that you'll have DFY Suite at your fingertips every single month. Sounds awesome, right? Yeah, we think so too. So right below this video, you'll have the opportunity to make sure you never miss out on getting your content ranked every month with DFY Suite. Plus today, all you have to do is put down $1 to lock in your discounted rate. Then 30 days from now, your account will be automatically renewed and replenished with fresh credits for you to use at your discounted rate. We also like rewarding those people who recognize an opportunity when they see it. So as a special bonus for locking in your monthly credits, we're also going to give you some additional credits every single month as a free bonus. That alone is easily hundreds of dollars in value every single month. And the best part is, this offer is 100% risk-free to you. If at any point before the 30 days you feel that DFY Suite is not for you, just shoot us an email and you'll never get billed again. Heck, we'll even give you back your $1 if you'd like. I do have to warn you though, this offer is 100% optional. You can always purchase more credits inside of the members area. However, they'll be more than double the price than the discounted rate you're locking in today. If you prefer to bypass that option and get results fast with as little work from your part as possible, I highly recommend securing this special offer. You may never see it again. Hey, just a quick interruption to this video to let you know about two things that I just got done talking with my partner about that's going to take this offer on this page to the next level. Number one is that we're going to be adding an additional 2,500 credits as a bonus for those of you that pick up the offer on this page. And number two, you're going to be extending the amount of links that you can build to each of the URLs that you submit from 100 all the way up to 300. Okay, so for those of you that picked up the pro version on the previous page, you're able to select to build up to 100 links per URL that you submit, which you saw in the demo video. But on this page, you can submit you can extend that to over 300 now. So the bar that you saw that I showed you in the demo video, where you can extend, where you can choose how many links get built to your URLs, you can now build up to 300 exclusively for those of you that pick up the offer on this page. So those two quick things: number one, you're getting a massive bonus in credits. Number two, you'll be able to extend the number of links that you build to each of your URLs to 300. Now let's get back to the video. So if you want to lock in your discounted rate and empower your business with the ranking power of DFY Suite every single month, hit the button below this video. I look forward to seeing you in the members area.